To a cabin suite.
I got the strap. Just spin it over the
Yeah.
So I think it's all.
Coming back. She does. Dadgum, she bowed up on that. A little. There you go. So going down hills, the engine's still running smooth. I know it ain't got power, yeah, so it's still running smooth downhill. You did? Yeah. Willy. No resuscitation. Watch it, Randy.
Do those poles make my ass look fat?
They're gonna try my tank bags out, my side bag.
We got some parking attendants here to make them smooth and orderly.
Like Betty just passed away. No, it didn't lock up. It just started sputtering. It wouldn't pull up the heels at all. And then I hit the brakes pretty good. One time I had a car was turned and it died and it did not crank back up and it smelled bad.
That's 5.7 miles for Christy.
Easy now, easy. Gonna have to get a free Willy sticker. I'd be flattered by a free Willy sticker.
The stickers are cool, but you only get one. So no.
Circus music. Yeah, we're turning on a light corner. That's one. Yeah, you can turn there. Yeah, it's this way. No, this way doesn't.
Can't help it, it's so beautiful. Misty, just throw it on the kickstand, take off running, I'll cut it off.
We're done for the day? Yep.
That's good. I don't want to overdo it.